Hey there, fellow gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge tech. Today, we've got a gaming peripheral that's sure to turn heads: the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard. This keyboard is loaded with features that can elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. But before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's jump into it. The ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard is here to redefine your gaming setup. With its compact 96% layout, it retains all the essential function and number keys while saving precious desk space. It's a real game changer. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its hot swappable switches. It comes with pre-lubed NX Snow linear switches and ROG NX Storm clicky switches. These switches not only enhance keystroke stability but are also tuned for exceptional acoustics. So, you get a satisfying and immersive typing experience. Now, let's talk connectivity. The ROG Strix Scope 296 offers a tri-mode connection. You can connect it via Bluetooth to up to 3 devices, use the 2.4 GHz connection with ROG Speed Nova wireless technology, or opt for the traditional wired USB connection. It's all about giving you options. ASUS has taken care of the auditory experience as well. The keyboard features sound dampening foam with switch dampening pads. This unique combination absorbs pinging noises and echoes, resulting in improved keystroke acoustics. Your gaming sessions will sound better than ever. For those of us who demand a premium typing experience, ASUS delivers. The keyboard stabilizers are pre-lubed, reducing friction for smoother keystrokes and enhanced stability for longer keys. Plus, you have the choice between durable ROG PBT double-shot keycaps or UV-coated ABS keycaps for a premium feel and resistance to shine. Gaming is all about precision and control. This keyboard doesn't disappoint. The F1 to F5 keys are pre-programmed as hotkeys for Xbox Game Bar and recording. It also boasts an intuitive multifunction button and multi-wheel for media playback, volume control, and keyboard lighting adjustments. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that ASUS's Republic of Gamers brand is all about delivering top-notch gaming hardware and software. They're committed to providing the ultimate gaming experience, and the ROG Strix Scope 296 is a testament to that commitment. For our tech-savvy viewers, here are some technical details. The keyboard is designed for both laptops and PCs, weighing in at 2.78 pounds. It's 14.84 inches long, 5.16 inches wide, and 1.57 inches high. You'll find this gaming powerhouse in stylish black. That's a wrap for today's review of the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard. If you're a gamer looking to level up your gaming setup, this keyboard could be your secret weapon. Share your thoughts and questions about this gaming beast in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your gaming buddies. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and insights right here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming!